All right, so let's take a look at question 5 from the 2.2 homework. So this is really fun. Um, we're going to create a histogram in StackCrunch, and it's very simple and it's pretty cool. So the question reads, the accompanying data and frequency distribution are 45 drive-through service times for Burger King lunches. Times begin when the vehicle stops at the order window and end when the vehicle leaves the pickup window. The lunch times were measured between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. Use the data and frequency distribution to construct a histogram. Does the histogram appear to be normal? So we're going to click this icon to view the service times data, and it also gives us the frequency distribution. So you can see it's already got it broken down into classes for us. And if you notice, the class width is 40. The lower class limit is 70. The next one is 110. The next one is 150, and so on. So check this out. This is pretty cool. So we can send this data to StackCrunch. We're going to click to copy the table, and then we're going to open it in StackCrunch. All right. So as you can see, the data has been exported to StackCrunch. So what are we going to do? We're going to go to graph, right? Now you notice this is not a frequency distribution here. This is just raw data. See, I'm scrolling through. These are the 45 times in seconds. So we're going to go to graph, and then we're going to go to histogram. Now, we're going to select which column the data is in, and the column is in, the data is in the column of var1, which stands for variable 1. Now, we want to tell StackCrunch where our bins start. So they start at 70. This is based on that frequency distribution. And the width of the bins is 40. And now we're just going to scroll down and hit compute. And that's it. There's your histogram. So we can clearly see that this is not normally distributed. It looks like it starts low and then goes high, and then it starts to skew downward to the right. So let's go back and look at the question. And the question says, construct the histogram. So you'll notice that two of these actually look like the right histogram, but the difference is, look at the values on the x-axis. Here we have 0 to 200. Here we have 70 to 270. So we're going to select that one because it covers the range of the data. And then the next question says, the histogram has a longer right tail, so the distribution is skewed to the right. If the tail is to the right, then the skew is to the right. The histogram does not appear to be normal, and obviously we have the correct answers. So that concludes this lesson.